Hello and a warm welcome to Amy's Story Corner. I'm Amy and today we are opening a story that teaches us that no act of kindness is ever too small. Let's dive into the classic fable, The Lion and the Mouse. Deep in a sunny, green forest lived a big, mighty lion. He was huge with a golden mane and he was the proud king of all the animals. One hot, lazy afternoon, the lion felt very tired. He found a cool spot under a large oak tree and decided to take a long, deep nap. He closed his eyes and was soon sleeping soundly. At that moment, a very tiny mouse was running and playing nearby. The mouse was fast, maybe a little too fast. Without looking, the mouse accidentally ran right over the lion's big nose. Roar! The lion woke up with a terrifying loud roar. His eyes were blazing with anger. He quickly put his massive paw down and trapped the poor little mouse underneath it. The mouse was so scared, he couldn't even squeak. "Oh, King Lion, please. Please don't eat me. I didn't mean to wake you. If you let me go, I promise you this. One day, I will surely help you in return." "Ha ha ha! You help me? A tiny little creature like you? That is the funniest thing I have heard all week." The lion thought the idea was silly, but he was in a good mood. He decided to be kind. He lifted his great paw and said, "Go on, little mouse, run away. Be thankful for my kindness today." Many weeks passed. One evening, the mighty lion was walking through a different part of the forest. Hunters had set up a huge, strong net trap. The lion didn't see it. Crash! The lion stepped right into the net. He was trapped, tangled in thick ropes. He pulled and pulled, but he couldn't escape. The king of the forest was helpless. He roared, not a roar of anger, but a long, sad roar for help. Luckily, the tiny mouse was playing nearby and heard the lion's distressed call. "That is the lion who spared my life," the mouse thought. "Now is the time to keep my promise." The mouse climbed up the ropes and started to use his best tool, his sharp, tiny teeth. He began to chew on the thick ropes. The mouse worked hard, chewing one rope after another. Finally, one last rope snapped. Crack! The net fell open and the lion was free. "Little mouse, I truly thank you. I laughed at your promise, but you have saved my life. You proved me wrong." And so the lion learned a valuable lesson that day. The moral of the story is, even the smallest of us can help the greatest of us, and a kindness is never wasted. What a beautiful story about friendship and kindness. Thank you for reading and learning English with me today at Amy's Story Corner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun stories to help you learn English. See you next time. Bye!